Okay, our stream has officially started. Welcome everybody to Keenan Can Do. Last week we left off with episode 6 of the workout tracker. Just to remind you where we were, we had the workout tracker where we select a time, select a master exercise that gives you your list of progression exercises. You could select any one of those and add a warm-up. If you add a warm-up, you get your possible progression warm-ups and then all of your set of exercises. We also started to implement an API using the Fast API on Python, and this allowed us to start to work on the back end of the app. Again, if you're new here, my name is Keenan Can Do. I like to program. I am a programmer, and I wanted to show you how programming happens in real time. I'm not the best, but I'm okay. Let's go open up Emacs then. Again, run Emacs. I have made a few creature comforts to Emacs. If you tuned into the weekend stream, which was a stream on just improving some of the creature comforts for us on Emacs, so in our streams we can have better, then you will remember all of that stuff. Okay, so let me copy over this to this scene. Boom. Okay, so we have that in every place. All right, so let's us open our folder with the information. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Yeah, kill that. Let us open. There we go, and we have our workout tracker. And I think we are still, it seems like, technically running the script. So let us go to workout tracker. Let's see if we have API. Scripts. And let's activate. Let's deactivate it first. I'm not sure if it's activated or not. And then let's activate it. Activate. Oh my god, I can't spell right now. Activate. Back. Okay, so now we are activated, which means that we can then step there and we can go to the API dir, and we have main. So if I remember correctly, I think it was Una Burn. Not unicorn, is it? Let's see. Let's get to the I think there's a way to search, but I don't remember what it is. Wow. It was doing a lot of fine stuff. Okay, let's go to Fast API. I think it is. So this is going to be. So this is still running. How is that running? Let's see, Task Manager. Yeah, it's still running. So let's end this so we can start off fresh this evening. How is it running? How is it running? Let's see. Fast API. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, it's the UV corn. Yeah, UV corn. UV corn main app reload. All right. So there we go. Now our app is up and running again. So then we can go to localhost. Freaking Emacs. Always doing the wrong thing. What was the address it had us in? It is, yeah. Yeah, so we'll open that. There we go. there is our progression of what we had programmed so far in for the exercises. So let's finish adding all of those exercises in, and we'll continue with that. So let's go to the API and main. Okay. So there's one of our exercises. So hanging leg raises. Let's copy that. Yep, let's copy that. And then we'll put it here. And then we just need to copy in the right information. It is not hanging leg raise. It is... Oops, spot. Didn't know that was a thing. It is... It is... Let's do one leg squat. One leg squat. Okay. Progressions. There's our progressions. There's our progressions. Control C. And then we'll have here. Go back here. And then we'll just do DD, 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 D, DD, DD. I could do a macro, but this seems pretty quick right now doing it this way. And then we'll paste. Oh, shoot. Need to get to that full. No. Oops. I have to remember that when you paste, when you're copying from Windows, you don't get the full information always. So there we go. Now we got that in there. Let's actually do this. And then we'll paste. Well, that wasn't what I wanted to do either. Okay. So if I have that, and then that. Of course, it's not going to give me that. How do I? I know what I would do. Yeah, let's figure this out because it's fun to do these kind of things. Okay, so let's go to copy this again. Control C. Then we'll go back and let's open up Scratch. And then we'll copy it, and then we'll up to the top here, and then we'll let's do a macro. Control X. No, that wasn't what I want. Control X. Defining keyboard macro. So we'll do here. What? Fish around with. So if I do selection here and then at the end and then do that, does it? Yes, that's kind of cool. All right, that's what I wanted. So that must be, I don't know what that did. That's cool. I didn't know you would do that if you, happy to have found it out though. So let's do, that, and then we'll do a keyboard macro. Oh, okay. Let's do, cancel macro. K macro, quit. Okay. Yeah. So done. Define it. Okay. So let's do, and then we'll do boom. Oh. Ah. Come on, quit. Macro. Okay. Now select end of line. Oh my God. Stop typing the wrong things, Keenan. Okay. Macro. No, I don't want to do a macro. Okay. Macro. Okay. So we will select end of line. Okay. Oh, no. There. And then back to the line. Okay. And then we will define the macro. And then, wait, what did it do? What did what do? What did what do? Now I would do the macro. I can't remember how to execute macro. Call macro, right? Call macro. Yep. Type return to repeat it. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. And then let's add our numbers there. So we'll start with, well, we'll just start with one number. And then we'll insert string rectangle. Yep, let's do one, that, oh, do one, that, space. Okay. There we go. We're good. Okay. And now we want to do a macro. So let's we would go down, copy, go down, paste, increment. Okay. So this is going to be more of a complicated macro. So this is going to be a kind of cool one because I'm going to implement, and I don't know if it really makes sense to do this one for this short of a solution, but let's try it anyway. So what we want to do, we want to start the macro. We're going to record the macro. Okay, we're going to kill the line that's there. So kill the line, paste it back. Oh, no. I didn't realize that was kill. See, I'm learning. Let's do it again. Macro. We want to delete that. So would it just be Control W? Meta W? No, that's not what I want to first off kill it. So let's just walk through what the macro would be, because I guess I'm messing up here. Let's walk through what the macro would be. So what I want to do is select the 1, copy it here, increment it. Select the 2, copy it here, increment it. Select the 3, copy it here, increment it. Okay. So mark point. Is there a mark point? Mark at point. Mark word. Meta at. Mark point. No. Okay. So we would do boom forward. Now I'm marking it. Then I would do meta W back. Backspace. Paste it. Backspace. Increment. Integer. Integer. Crux. Increment. Is there not prelude mode on this? Increment. No, isn't there control HF increment integer at point integer crux prelude integer. I thought there was a way in prelude to do the incrementation of the integer. This is taking too long. Let's go back. I'll figure this out at a later time. Okay. So we want to copy this again. Copy, back over, paste. And there. Okay, and then we're gonna be, no, that's not what I want. We want to in string rectangle. String rectangle. There we go. Okay, we got that. Oops. What? Why did it do that? Okay. Got that. Now we want to okay. And then we'll delete rectangle. Okay, and let's go back here. Wow, 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 wow. Get this. I want to insert rectangle. Yank rectangle. shoot. We are attempting. I'm gonna try it on the next one. This one's God. Thought I figured out how to do it the last time, but I just can't figure it out for me right now. There we go. There we go. Okay, so that would have been. So then that would mean that we have another set of exercises probably here now. Yeah, one leg progressions, one leg squat, hanging leg raise.
Can you say it again?
Hi, how are you, Master Slayer 2000? Welcome. Welcome to our... Alexa, stop. Sorry, my Alexa is getting in our business here. It's getting in our business. Alexa, you need to mind your own business. Mind your own business, Alexa. Mind your own business. Okay, one leg squat. Let's move on to the wall. Okay, one arm pull up, hanging leg raise, one leg squat, wall push up. Control C. Okay, let's find out what does the yank rectangle do. What does yank rectangle do? Does that allow us to... Let's do... So we're going to just find out the function. So that's Control H, F. And then we'll just do yank rectangle, right? There we go. So it is bound. Yank the last killed rectangle with upper left corner at point. Oh, okay. So you kill the rectangle and then you can yank the rectangle. Okay. So the way I could do that is quit. Oh. Quit. I could go to... Oh, is this text big enough or should I make it bigger? Oh, thank you. Good luck on your endeavors as well, my friend. Where are you from? Where are you joining from? Where is... Why is there... My green screen is bleeding through today. I apologize. I am sorry about that, you guys. So let's go to the buffer again. And let's go to scratch and let's go all the way down here. We'll do our own thing. We'll yank it. Okay. And then now that we yanked it, let's we'll mark it. Oops. Mark it, and let's see if I go to insert some space. I want the whole rectangle. So if I come, so how's that work? So if I do, let's okay. Let's say kill rectangle here, which is Control X, oops, Control X RD. See, it's missing some of the values. So how do I make sure my rectangle is within bounds? Unless I just have to add some random, like, junk characters. Like, I guess I could... Oh, yeah. Oh! Would that kill it then? Yes. Now, if I go back to A, then Control X, R, D. Only things left is that P. Where did that P come from? Oh, because I didn't fully have it out. Okay. Let's do one more space. Okay. So we can get rid of the space later. Okay. Control X, R, D. Nope. Still there. Thought I added it. I need to add another space. Whoops. Another space. There we go. Okay. Then Control X, R, D. That's all of it. Okay. Now if, for instance, I wanted to insert it like here, is Control X, R, Y really going to just place it? No. Control X, R. Where's yank? Yeah. It didn't yank it. Because it didn't kill the rectangle. That was delete rectangle. That wasn't kill rectangle. That was delete rectangle. I need to kill the rectangle. And how do I kill the rectangle, you might say? I have no idea. Control X, R, K. Aha. Control X, R, K. Okay. Now if I go here, Control X, R, Y. That's what I want. I want to yank the rectangle and kill the rectangle back in and have it in a spot where, oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I like that. Okay, so now what I can do is go back to that other buffer. See, we're figuring stuff out. Like, and sometimes it takes a second to figure out something that's going to end up adding a lot of creature comfort, you know, let's say to your workflow. So take the time to do what you need to do. So what I need to do is go out to here, then we'll mark it. Oops. Then we'll mark it like we just did, and we'll go back just to here. And then we're going to kill it this time because we don't want to, or we're going to delete it. And then we'll kill back in the previous one. And then we can add in all of our stuff. So let's do Control X, R, D. That deletes the rectangle. And then I can go back here, Control X, R, Y, and yank it back in. That was really cool. Let's make sure we have that to add to a YouTube short if oh, I didn't start the replay buffer. No! I didn't start the replay buffer. Oh no, that was gonna be a perfect replay. Oh, okay, well we'll do it again, and then I'll do a replay buffer on it. So that we can add that to a YouTube short. Oh no, I'm sad about that. Sad face. Sad face. Oh man. Well, now that I got replay buffer, I'm just gonna undo it, right? Okay. And then let's go back to our scratch buffer. Let's go back down here. We'll yank it again. Control X R Y. Oops. Control X R Y. We'll yank it again, and we'll go up here, and we'll run that macro. Call macro. Return. Oh, the macro's not working now. Did it not? Why isn't it working with that? So I have to do the macro again? Whatever, I can do the macro again. Oh, wait a second. Wait. Why didn't it macro work? Okay, so let's let's clean up the white. There we go. Now would the macro work? Call macro. No, it's not working. Why, oh why isn't my macro working? Oh why doesn't it work today? So let's redefine the macro then. That's where at in this life is redefining macros all day long. So we'll go to the end. We'll go back to the burp. Let's select it first. Then we'll go to the end. Then we'll put that in there. We'll put that in there. We'll go back, and that will be the definition of our macro. And then we can call the macro as many times as we need here. Boom. Now let's go up. Now that we know how to do this. That's enough for us. Yes, that's enough. Let's... Come on, this keyboard. I love this keyboard. But sometimes it's not working as intended. Then we're going to do Control X, R, kill. We'll go back to our previous buffer. Boom. Let us paste that with Control X, R, Y. And then we can clean it up with Control C, Control C, N. And there is our next list of exercises. Now that we do have the replay buffer, let's hit that replay buffer. Why isn't it starting? Why didn't the replay buffer do anything? Okay, there it goes. It saved it. Okay. So what that does, that's kind of cool. What the replay buffer does in OBS is it just kind of, it'll take a snapshot. So 2.5. So that's going to take the last, it takes the last 5 minutes. It takes the last 5 minutes of what you printed. So then I could turn into like a quick little tutorial for it. And then, so that's kind of cool. I like the replay buffer. So just let's move on to the next one. So we'll go here. We'll go here, but we don't want that. We don't want that. We don't. Wait, what is all this? Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Back to here. Oh, yeah, we could look at the kill ring, right? Oh, I'm not seeing anything, though. Oh, that's not what I want. I didn't know that was a thing. Yeah, I didn't know that was a thing. That's not what I want. I wanted to, for Y, but I don't want that. I want, oh, we don't have anything? I thought we had that in the kill ring. What is browse kill ring in Emacs? Let's see. Let's see. Apropos, browse kill ring. Ba, 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 ba. Browse kill ring. Display items in the kill ring and another buffer, a package for browsing. Yeah. So let's describe the function then. Control H. Control HF. Browse kill ring. Browser. Browse. Kill ring. It's bound to YY. Oh, okay. It's bound to YY. Uh-huh. It's brown to YY. Okay. Okay, so if it's brown to YY, let's do YY. Okay. And this is the one we want right here. Wait, it didn't do it. How do you do it once you're in a kill ring? YY. Okay. Type H for help. Okay. Browse kill ring. Browse kill ring. Insert. Okay. Did it do it? Oh, I think it did it. Okay. All right. I like that too. So that's the browse kill ring. And then we can insert. Okay, so we need to go here. And what's our next one? It's stand to stand bridge. Good luck with that. Good luck with that. Stand to stand bridge. Stand to stand bridge. That seems like a very hard exercise to do. We're in front of it, yes. And we'll select backwards. Backwards to here. And then we will Control X R delete. And then let's copy this bridge stuff. Copy. Let's go back to that buffer. Scratch buffer. And we'll paste it. Okay. Let's go here. And then let's see. Can we do the execute macro now? Call macro. Yep. Boom, 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 boom. We're calling our macro that we did some time ago. Now we want to go to the end and we want to go down here. And we'll select all of that. Then we're going to Control X R kill it. We didn't do it though. What happened? Why didn't it kill it? Select. Back. Control X R kill. There we go. Then we'll go back to our main buffer. We'll go forward here and we'll go to Control X R yank. There we go. And then we can clean it up. There we go. So there is our 5th exercise. So then we'll go back down here and then we'll browse kill ring. We'll go down to here again, insert it, and then we'll quit. And then we'll go back up to the next exercise, which is not one leg squat. It is one arm handstand push up. That's not a thing I'm probably ever gonna do. Whoop. One arm handstand push up. Okay, so we got that. We'll go here, forward, backwards, back to the end. We'll couple spaces. We'll select down, then we'll select back, back one more, and then we'll do Control X R delete the rectangle. Then let's go back to our area. Let us grab this. Control C. We'll yank it in here. We'll go back up to the top. We will call the macro again. Call it a few times. There we go. Now we will go back up to the top. We'll add in a couple spaces. We're going to select down. We'll select to the beginning. We'll do Control X. Control X. Oops. Control X. What is going on here? We're in a recursive editing mode. So let's do Control X, and then we'll just make that the only. Yeah, I don't want that window no more. Switch to where I am, Scratch. Oh my god. Why is that window not open? There is, yeah, there is a window. There's the mini buffer. How do I close the mini buffer? Okay. Doesn't matter. Mini buffer, you can stay for right now. You have a free pass. Control X. R. Kill. There we go. We'll go back to main. Over there. We'll go up to here. Space. Control X. Up. Control X. Y. That is right. It's Control X R Y. Oh my god. Control X R Y. There we go. And then we'll do Control C N to clean it up. That is the last part of our. Now let's do Control X, Control S. Nope. Control X, Control S. Okay, now if we go up here and refresh, we have all of our. No, we're missing one. Oh, and we're. What is this? On line 58. What is that? What is this? Oh, it's one leg squat twice too. Okay. One arm push up, hanging leg raise. This is shoulder stand squat. Wait a second. One leg squat. Why do we have that inserted so many times? Oh, was it not inserting in the right spot when I was yanking? No way. No way. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, I think it was. So we only need one leg squat. Hanging leg raise, one leg squat, stand to stand bridge, one arm handstand push up. Why is this? Okay, let me go. There we go. Okay. One arm pull up, hanging leg raise, one leg squat, stand to stand bridge, one arm hands. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are we missing? What are we missing here? One arm pull up. One arm pull up. Let's just go from the top up. One arm pull up. Yes. Hanging leg raise. Yes. One leg squat. Yes. Wall push up. That's what we're missing. Wall push up. But I thought we did the wall push up. Yeah. Wall push up. Kill ring. There it is. One leg squat. Okay. So we need to do wall push up, which is the one arm push up. which is like the best exercise. So how I missed that, I don't know. One arm push up. Okay, we got that. Let's go here. Select, down, back, back. Control X, R, D. Okay, let's select the push-ups. Control C. Back to Emacs. Control XB. Yep. Back to scratch. Paste them here. Let's run the macro. Okay, and then let's add some spaces. Select them. Back. Control X, R, kill. Go back to main. And go up here. Control X, R, Y. There we go. And then we'll clean it up. There we go. Now we have the 5. So let's save it. And when we go here, we should have all 6 now. Why don't I have all 6? One arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have an issue. Canceled. Error. Let's just start the server again. There it is. One arm push-up, stand to stand bridge, one arm handstand push-up. So we have all of our exercises with their key pairs as well, with their value pairs as well. So we can go back now to since we know what this looks like, we can go back to the what's recently visited file. Isn't there a recently visited file? How do I get Control HF recently visited file? Projectile recently active files. What does that do? Get list of recently active files. Interesting. It's find recently visited files, I think I want. So let's do apropos recent files. Recent open files. There we go. Recently opened file. Show a dialog to open recent file. Its arguments is nil. I thought. Isn't it prelude? Recently. Is it crux? Recent. Control C F. Control C F. There we go. So we want the app. Okay, so now that we know what the shape of that is, so we have the exercises in here. We're actually going to refactor some of this stuff as we're working with backend information now. So let us first make sure that so we're going to put everything in a function called init app. But what we need to do is make sure that document dot, what is it? Document state, document state, ready state. Document ready state. Yeah. So document is, document. So we'll make sure that document dot add event listener. And we want to do ready state change. And let's do what? Call init, and then we need that function. We'll do it down here. Function init takes in an event. And it's shift return, right? Takes in an event. Return. Takes in an event. I thought it was going to actually close it and everything, but that wasn't the case. That wasn't the case. It didn't close it. It didn't close it. Okay, so then it looks like we want the ready state complete. If document, right? If document dot ready state, right, is complete. Complete. That's no capitals on that though. Complete. Then we're going to do some things. So we're gonna fetch. We're going to let's say let exercises. Let's say let exercise data equal. Is it fetch? I need to look at fetch. Fetch API. Fetch. Async. Oh, I just do fetch. Okay, so you just do it, and then you use like kind of the await syntax there. Okay, so let's just do fetch. And for now, we're going to say that we're fetching kind of just this, right? This local host here, because we don't have anything else to currently fetch. Yeah, let's just do this. Oh, and what I just noticed is it's not secure. So I won't be putting this on the internet. But again, it was just for me. So let's do const exercise data equals await response dot JSON, right? And then we can do console.log, and then we'll do exercise data. It should have been data, not that. So that's not right. Data. Exercise data. Okay, let's save that. And let's go back to the workout tracker. Okay, await is only valid in async and the top level bodies of modules. Bodies of modules in async functions. Can I do it in an async function then? I mean, is it just as simple as asyncing this? I don't think so. I don't think that's going to work because I didn't await it, but we'll see. Where's the network? Where is our request? It's not happening. Okay, we're going to have to not use init there. So let's do function init. And then we'll do, let's do this information all is in a kill, and then we'll do, let's say, function fetch. Let's just call it exercises for right now because I don't have a better name. And let's paste that back in there. And then we'll call, we'll say this is an await. Let's just say this is an async. Async. And then this is fetch exercises. Not probably doing the right thing. It's been a long time since I did JavaScript, so we're gonna see how this works, but I'm pretty sure it's probably not gonna work. What? We don't. What's? There's no errors. There's no network. There's not. It's not doing anything. Ready state change. Am I doing the wrong? Let's see. Let's just do. Let's do console.log in the event. Let's see if the event is even firing. The event, wait a sec. Okay, that's document.add event listener sources. Where am I getting the ready state wrong? Ready state. Oops. Document ready state. Ready state. Yeah, okay. On ready state change. Doom. So let's see. Why document function if document ready state. Oh, that's read state. Yay. Frickin' JavaScript. Man, let's see. In the event, uncop and promise row response is not defined. Yeah, because it's not true. Let's fetch. Go back to the fetch here. Constant response equals await. Is this bigger when it's... Yeah, so we do need to await that. Okay. I figured that much. That doesn't seem right. If you... It couldn't tell because of the way that's formatted there. Oh, because I'm sharing the responses here. Constant response equals await. There we go. Okay, now access to fetch from origin has been blocked by cores. No access. Header is present if an opaque your needs set to request mode or fetch the resource with core is disabled. Oh my god, the core is shut. I can't remember what to do with cores. Cores. There we go. You can configure NFS using the cores middleware. Import cores. Create a list of allowed origins as strings. Add it as middleware. You can also specify if your backend allows. Okay. I will add it and then remove it because we probably don't want to keep that in there long term, right? Let's see. Begin buffer. Okay. So from fast API middleware import cores middleware. Okay. And then we'll do origins. Origins, and we'll just do HTTP localhost, and what is my address? It is... Yike, I just want my address, buddy. 8,000, yeah. 8,000. And what did you say? What was your error? What was your error? Can't... Did you mean middleware? I thought it was capital. Fast API import cores middleware. I thought it was middleware that it says middleware. Cores yeah. IDDLE where? Did it break again? Did you mean middleware? Maybe I meant middleware. Can I import name? Maybe I did mean middleware. I don't know what I meant. I'm just typing what you had on there. From fast... Can I import name cores middleware from fast API middleware? Well, what can you import? Am I spelling it wrong? I don't... Import cores middleware. Middleware. Ugh. Let's see. Import fast API dot middleware. Sure. Find dot course. Yeah, find parameter not correct. What is going on? What is going on? Why is it saying it can't find this core's middleware? So pi v, v and v. Uh-huh. Running a virtual environment. When a Python interpreter is running for virtual environment, that point to directory is a virtual environment. Point to the base to create virtual environment. Oh, yeah. Okay. API. Create, ensure, set up Python. Install scripts. Following script shows how to extend. So how do you... do this one, I guess? Oh, quick start create. No, I don't want virtual environment. I want VMV. Ba, ba, ba. Let's us go hide the cam for a minute. I wish that my automatic scene switcher always worked, but it doesn't ever work. It doesn't ever work. Emacs prelude. Let's remove. Let's see, we have that. And we want to switch to hide cam, add. And then when we're on this one, we want to switch to scene, add that, start. Okay, here. So that means that Python 3, when I did that, that's not what I want. REST API. No module. So it's not. So how do I? Notepad. IV. No. Notepad. Executable. Home include site package. Version executable. Uh-huh. Trying to see, is your, when you, on tags, yeah. When you're in a Python interpreter, interpreter, where's the, yeah, that makes sense. Importing sys. Yeah. Python 3. Import sys. And then what is it? Sys.executable. But it doesn't have. Interpreter. Let's search for interpreter. Used to contain a specific. Python is running from a virtual environment. Point to the directories of the virtual environment, whereas sys.base, sys. Base user created. It is sufficient to check, determines the current interpreter is running from a virtual environment. Okay. So sys.prefix, sys space prefix. Okay. So they're equal. But I don't see the actual environment. This will prepend to the running Python. Python, you don't need space. So how come I don't see? How come? Oh no. So okay. Now if I do Python 3 import API. How come it's not showing there? Sure. CD API. CD include, I guess? No, it's no. Lib. CD site packages. Notepad. Force. I'm just looking at this over here. Sorry, I guess I should showed you guys. So site packages was false. I think it should be true. Maybe not though. Okay. So we're looking at here. It is called Core's middleware. And it is from Okay. Provides, what does it provide? Text markdown. So we could do from Starlet, I guess it said, because I did. The other thing wasn't working. Yeah, let's do that. From Starlet dot middleware dot cores import cores middleware. You gonna break again? Come on, get to the freaking unicorn. Okay. Now we'll go back to here. Oh, I have to actually allow it now, right? Yeah. Origins, then I gotta go back down to app. Up. App. Redo. Oh, cores. Middleware. Okay. App. The app here. Okay. App.add middleware. Cores middleware. Allow origins equals origins. Oh, allow credentials true. Oh, let's see, is it broke now? Well, let's see. Here is methods equals allow headers. Okay, here we go. Let's see now. Still, why is it still blocking me? Localhost. Let me just do star for right now. Done dealing with this. Done dealing with this. There we go. There is our response from the back end. That's cool. I like that. All right. Well, that's a good place to stop for today. We have our basics of our fetch API set up. We'll pick up with more of that tomorrow. Thank you guys for joining today. Thanks for putting up with working through a few of those bugs. That's the fun stuff for programming. Let's do some Midget stuff now. Midget status. Let's see, what do we have new here? API lib. I don't want to track those things. Let's stage. Let's see, what's the change for that? Oh yeah, that's all the changes we did. App.js, that was some cleanup of modifications. Okay, so we'll stage these things. And then we'll commit. Continue work on the API and wire up initial fetch of data. Let's Control C, N, Control C, Control C. And then we'll push it to origin. After that, when we go to GitHub, we should see our latest changes in our API and then in the application code as well. Well, that's it for tonight. Thank you guys for joining. I hope everyone has a wonderful evening and a happy Tuesday. This is Keenan Can Do. Talk to you later.